Welcome to Learning English YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to present on two elements of a short story. Number one, point of view. Number two, theme. Let me start with number one, point of view. Point of view is defined as the angle from which the story is told. There are four types of point of view. Number one, innocent eye. Number two, stream of consciousness. Number three, first person. Number four, omniscient. Let me start with the first one, innocent eye. The story is told through the eyes of a child. Number two, stream of consciousness. When story is told, the readers feel as if they are inside the head of one character and knows all his or her thoughts and reactions. Number three, first person. The story is told by the protagonist or one of the characters who interacts closely with the protagonists or other characters using I, me, we, etc. The reader sees the story through this person's eyes as he or she experiences it and only knows what he or she knows or feels. Number four, omniscient. The author can narrate the story using omniscient point of view. He can move from character to character, event to event, having a free access to thoughts, feelings and motivations of his characters, and he introduces information where and when he chooses. There are two main types of omniscient point of view. Number one, omniscient limited. Number two, omniscient objective. Let me go to the first one, omniscient limited. The author tells the story in the third person using pronouns they, she, he, it, etc. We know only what the character knows and what the author allows him or her to tell us. We can see the thoughts and feelings of characters if the author chooses to reveal them to us. Number two, omniscient objective. The author tells the story in the third person. It appears as though a camera is following the characters, going anywhere and recording only what is seen and heard. There is no comment on characters or their thoughts. No interpretations are offered. The reader is placed in the position of a spectator without the author there to explain. The reader has to interpret events on his own. Now let me go to the second element, theme. The theme in a piece of fiction is its controlling idea or its central insight. It is the author's underlying meaning or a main idea that he is trying to convey. The theme may be the author's thoughts about a topic or a view of human nature. The title of the short story usually points to what the writer is saying, and he may use various figures of speech to emphasize his theme, such as symbol, allusion, simile, metaphor, hyperbole, or irony. I hope you have understood the two elements of a short story: point of view and theme. For more examples and details, you can check the description. Thank you very much for watching.